आनंद रंगनाथन, सुबह पूछा था नीतीश कुमार जी से तो उन्होंने कहा मुझे पता नहीं, अब रात हो गई अभी तक पता नहीं. एंड देन नो इंक्वायरी इनटू द मिनिस्टर व्हेन ही टेक्स ओथ, बिकॉज सब कुछ जल्दी जल्दी में हो गया ना, जल्दी जल्दी पावर में आना था, जल्दी जल्दी सरकार बननी थी, तो तब मंत्री की इंक्वायरी तो हुई नहीं. अब मीडिया बता रही है तो अब इंक्वायरी होगी. नाउ हाउ जस्ट इज दैट, डॉक्टर आनंद रंगनाथन?
Good evening, Navika, and good evening to all my esteemed panelists. Navika, to be honest with you, I think we are making a mountain out of a molehill. Bihar is one of the best governed states in India. Ever since it became secular last week, there is no crime. All reports of murder, rape, and kidnappings are exaggerated by the gaudy media. And if the recently inducted law minister faces imminent arrest for kidnapping, I ask, what is wrong? Kidnapping has been misconstrued by the right wing. It is not an offense, but merely an exercise to get to know someone better. All you do is politely make sure your guest doesn't leave your premises. I ask you, what is wrong in that? Tehseen, for example, he kidnapped me when he took me out for lunch. I was under his watch for 3 hours. I could not move, I could not drink, I could only eat what he ordered. And in the end, I had to pay a heavy ransom just to be able to escape. So please, let us be balanced about this. But to be serious, Navika, according to the ADR, 68% of current Bihar MLAs, 68%, 163 in all, are facing criminal charges. 51% are facing serious criminal charges of murder, rape, dacoity, and kidnapping. This figure is 10% more than the last assembly. 54 of them are RJD MLAs, 47 are from the BJP, 20 from the JDU, 18 from the Congress, and all 5 AIMIM MLAs face serious criminal charges, all 5. 75% of the JDU BJP cabinet since 2017 had criminal charges against it. Right now, the JDU RJD cabinet is 72% criminal charges. So thoda improvement aaya. Thing is, if the pool to choose from is facing criminal charges, the cabinet will be as well. But the cake, Navika, belongs to the holier than thou preachy communist MLA Mehboob Alam. He faces 28 serious cases of murder, attempt to murder, kidnapping, extortion, prostitution racket. Then there is one Anand Singh, fondly called Chote Sarkar. He is facing 68 criminal cases. You may remember him from that famous meme where he delightfully utters the place where Lawrence School is situated. But anyway, remember Hari Shankar Tiwari from UP, the first gangster to win elections from jail? He and his family first joined the Congress, then BJP, then SP, then BSP, then JDU. Remember Raja Bhaiya? BJP, BSP arrested him under Pota. SP dismissed Pota charges within 15 minutes of coming to power, made him a minister. BJP, that took his help in 218 Rajya Sabha elections, had made him a minister in 1997. Democracy, Navika, is more often than we'd like to admit, not so much the defeat of the elected as it is of the electorate. And anyway, as I said, choosing a minister facing imminent arrest on kidnapping charges is probably a tourism incentive like Hotel California. Once you enter, you can't leave.